Hello everyone. So welcome to the 200th video, and I hope by now you have subscribed to my channel. So let us start with the definition, and that is to read two dates from the user. So I've created two text boxes, txt1 and txt2. Now what I need to do is I need to fetch both the dates and decide which one is a past date to the other date. So one of the date will be a future date, one of the date will be a past date, and they are to be compared with each other, not with the system date. So we'll have to modify our base structure. So instead of fetching value from one text box, now we are going to fetch value from two text boxes. So I'm going to just do a copy paste, and we are going to fetch the value from first text box in A1 and second text box in A2. Likewise, I'm going to convert both of them into dates. So B1 will contain the A1 converted and B2 will contain the A2 converted into a date. So I have my variables here. Now, I also need to check if either one of them is not a number. Why not a number? We are working with dates. How come we are talking about numbers? It is because the dates are never stored as dates. I'm repeating again, they are always stored as number of milliseconds. So it's basically a number. And right now it is a 13-digit long number. So keep that in mind every time you work with dates. So once you're converting it into a date, probably you would assume that it looks like a date, but no, it looks like a number. Only for your display purposes, it is converted into a human readable format. So I'm going to check whether either one of them is any and we say wrong dates. Now, if both of them are correct dates, what do I need to do? I need to check which one is the past date. Now, if you know with numbers, when I want to check which one is smaller, which one is greater, either we use the less than sign or we use the greater than sign. That's what I'm going to do because B1 and B2 are actually numbers. I would say if B1 is less than B2, obviously the first date is smaller or small or maybe past, a past date. Otherwise, now there are three possibilities. It is very vague possibility. Both of them are same. So I want to even take up that situation and I'm going to use the else if ladder. So if B1 is less than B2, first is the past date. If B2 is less than B1, then we say second is the past. And very rough possibility of getting this, but we can still go ahead. Same. Both of them are same. So this would be the logic for checking which one is the past date. Remember, we are not fetching the system date. We are converting the date we have entered into a date. So let us see. Okay, so I'm going to put in 26th of January, my favorite date, 2022, and 26th of January 2021. So second is the past date because this occurs before this date. So that is working. And if I go with this, the first is the past date. Obviously, this happens before the second date. Now, if you're wondering, I'm going to get the same date. I'm going to get the same date because I have not entered the time parameter. So it is taken as 000. So the numeric conversion for both of these in variables B1 and B2 will be exact same number of milliseconds from the epoch time. So I get the values, they are same dates. Now, if you add in the time parameter, for example, you are entering the 0 hour, 0 minutes and say 1 second, then this becomes a future date and this is the past date. So second is the past date. So try this and I'll catch you in the next video with a new definition.